Hey, what's up, Marsha? Spoke to Willa. This is Devin from SEO Dallas, Texas. I'm just going to show you 3 easy ways to beat your competition online. I know you're probably asking why I'm making you this video, and it's really simple. There's just a lot of business owners out there that are spending all of their time running their business, taking care of their customers. They don't really have the time to learn how to make the internet benefit them and work for them and bring in more of those customers. And typically, the only thing holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they just don't know who is an expert and who's not. So, I found that by making these attack plans and just giving them away for free, a lot of these business owners still end up raising their hands, going, you know what, Devin, I like you, just take care of all this stuff for me. So by the end of this all, you see I've got some tricks up my sleeve. You want me to help you out with this? Just give me a call and we can chat. If you want to take this free information and apply it yourself, that's totally okay too. This is completely free information with no strings attached. What I'm going to talk to you about today, Marsha, is going to be content, backlinks, and citations. So content's everything on the front page of your website that Google looks through to determine what keywords to rank you for and where to rank you for those keywords. And keywords are just terms that people search into Google to find your business. So for you specifically, it'd be like AC repair in Arlington, AC repair in Haltom City, HVAC Haltom City, HVAC Arlington, stuff like that. Now Google wants you to have about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page to consider you an authority, and that includes all the text that you can read, all the text behind your images, and then whatever your image is saved as. So let's go take a look at your website real quick. First off, it's a great looking website. It looks like it was professionally done. You guys have a lot of photos here. It's a great looking website for sure. As far as content goes, you're going to want to make sure you have at least 1,500 words, if not 2,000 on this page. Let's see how many you have right now. Real quick. You guys are sitting right about 1,000 words. So that was my first tip, is to get that up to about 1,500 words. Also, whatever your images are saved as does count as content. So whereas this heating here, you could say this is AC Haltom City or AC repair or heating Haltom City or plumbing Haltom City. You know, right here, same thing. It's plumbing Haltom City, plumbing Arlington. If you look at your main, here's the keywords you are being found for. I removed your name, Stark and Starks, and just to see what you're coming up for. And you're on the first page for these, but none of these are buyer intent. When you first start getting buyer intent is right here, air conditioning repair at Hearst, Texas. Someone typing this in definitely needs some help. You're going down in rank. AC repair North Richland Hills. You're right at the beginning of page 2. Louisville air conditioning, page 2, page 2, page 2. These are all like the good ones. You're all page 2 and it's getting worse as you go on. So you want to be targeting for these type of keywords inside your content. Max Mechanical, these guys, they have not that much content. You're going to blow them out of the water at 1,500 words. And then Alden, these guys have a good amount of content, but again, your 1,500, 2,000 words are going to blow them out of the water. So that's my first tip, Marsha. My second tip is going to be backlinks. Google's like a popularity contest, and they look at how many other websites are linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. And not all links are created equal. You get a lot more power from other plumbing and HVAC companies linking to you than you would from like Pizza Hut linking to you. Because obviously you're not a pizza company and Google knows this. So I use a tool, check this out. It's called Ahrefs. It does cost about $1,000 a month to use it, but it does give you really, really valuable data on what's going on in the back end of websites. So if you take a peek here, your website has 111 websites linking to you. That's awesome. It looks like you've been in the SEO game for a little while, for about 5 years now. Actually, yeah, right around 5 years, maybe a little more, closer to 6 years. Not bad. If you want to look what you're up against, you have Max Mechanical. These guys have 252 versus your 111, so you're going to want to beat them out. And then you also have Alden Air. These guys don't have that many, but they're just targeting the right keywords. So the real target you're going to want to go after is Max Mechanical with their 252, which means you're going to want to get another 130, if not 150, to completely dominate them. And the best way to do that is just go see what links they have and go grab the same ones for yourself. So like Customer Lobby, American Towns, you'd go through and grab them. HVAC Talk's probably a good one for you. HVAC Systems here, air conditioning, HVAC repair, air conditioner. These are all really good links. I would go and try to get yourself, okay? That's my second tip. My last tip is citations. When somebody types in AC repair Arlington TX and they're ready to buy, they're going to call the first contractor that shows up that seems trustworthy. And you want to be that contractor because those are typically the easiest customers to close. Now, many people skip these ads right here because they have either had bad experiences in the past or they have ad blockers. And so the best place to rank yourself is right here in the Google My Business or local map hack section. To get here, you need more citations than your competitors. And citations are wherever your name, your address, and your phone number are listed in different directories across the web. Directories are just websites that allow you to list your business information, like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor. These are really common ones. So the best strategy here is to figure out what directories your competitors are listed in, go list yourself in those exact same ones, and then add a bunch more on top to dominate them. I'd always recommend adding 30 to 40% more to give yourself a nice space cushion. So once you do take this number one spot, It takes your competitors a long time to catch up to you. You can hold that number one spot by just doing a couple hours of work a month, and you're easily getting those easy to close customers. That's all I've got for you, Marsha. I hope you found this really informative. What I went over again was content. I would definitely recommend getting your website up to about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page, and make sure you're using buyer intent keywords such as like Louisville air conditioning, Keller air conditioning, Arlington air plumber, stuff like that. You're also going to want to copy your competitors' backlinks. I'd recommend adding about 150 more websites linking to yours, just so you can completely dominate and be the number one company that shows up organically. And then citations, I would also recommend you go and grab whatever directories your competitors are in, list yourself in those same ones, and add a bunch more on top. Marsha, like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, if you want to do this yourself, that's okay. This is a completely free education with no strings attached. I just ask you respond to this email and send me back a sentence or two, just letting me know what you thought about the video. If you do want me to help you take care of this stuff, give us a call. Our phone number is 214-441-6737. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this, Marsha, and I look forward to hearing back from you. Have a great day.